It's a two-bank Y cinch, also known as a J cinch and a Mather cinch. We've recently started using the terminology Y cinch, and you'll see why in just a moment. See what I did there? Here we go. So we're going to take a couple of swimmers. They're going to come over towards this side here. Okay. We're going to get a line on shore, and we're going to extend that out between two rescuers. We're going to get a third rescuer who's going to throw a line, again, from strong to weak, downstream of our subject. Once we do that, we're going to take a carabiner, again, just to mock this up. We're going to clip that onto the line. And now, this type of cinch we use when we can't just come directly upstream because there's a rock or something which is blocking the way, and sometimes our subject isn't facing directly downstream. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the hulks to come on up this way. Okay? We're going to get these guys to move down this way, so that essentially we're able to get our line feathering in between these rocks. And you'll see that as this side here, our weak side, pulls, and we hold on and slowly let line out over on this side. As this pulls, check it out, it starts coming across, and you can see its namesake. It looks like we have a giant letter Y. Now I know for this vantage point it's upside down for you. But we're going to keep on pulling right through this gap, usually over top of our subject. And once we're in this position here, we're now going to tuck this back up and get it right underneath, ideally, our subject's arms. Once we do that, we can do one of two different things. We can either cross over, so again, our upstream line remains underneath, and this is going to be an open Y cinch. Or, instead, we could take another carabiner, clip it over top of these two lines. Our downstream line is going to go downstream, and again, they're going to go far enough downstream that this is going to snap itself into position, and then they can move back up. Our weak side here can now move up, and we've got a cinch that looks something like this. We would refer to this as a two-bank closed Y cinch. From here, green hulk and weak side, they're going to pull to pop, so we pull up. Once we pull up sufficiently until we get our subject now out of their boat, lying flat on the surface of the water. Now, hulk holds tight, red hulk pulls in, weak side lets out, and you'll see that our apex will move all the way down to here. Red hulk will now grab the subject. Green hulk will pull the lines up, and our rescuers from the weak side need to get back and pack over on the strong side. That's a two-bank Y cinch, open or close, also known as a J cinch or a Mather cinch, or a modified Mather cinch. There we go.